Hello beautiful people, welcome to Kate Space, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all very well, doing well, and I thank you for joining me today. I have been having a big clean up in my room because after making a couple of journals things were just out of control. They still actually look pretty much out of control, but I found, well not found, but I gathered together all my collaged sort of boards that some of them are cut up already and some of them weren't. I've turned them into tags, different size tags, and a whole lot of journaling cards. And then I saw this old scrapbooking paper that I've got that I quite like this side, so I thought, oh, maybe I'll turn the camera on and we can just do some collaging. I'm going to try not to get too fixated on how it looks. That goes there, but I can't. That's all right, we'll just pop that up there. In fact, I should be just gluing it down as I go. That would make a lot more sense. That would be braver, wouldn't it? Gluing it down as I go. But, okay. So I'm just doing the big bits first. I don't really know what the rules are with collaging. I know there are rules, but I'm not sure what they are. Okay, so I am going to stick that up there. Or do you think that's too much blank space? Maybe I'll tear that. This is old and fragile. So that can go up there, but see, I probably need to do bigger pieces. Bigger pieces first, I think. I think that's one of the rules. I want to use this old music paper cover that is just falling to bits in my scrap box, so I want to get that down somewhere. It's kind of grotty and dirty, but that's okay. There's more of that. I did have a pile of book pages that I tidied up, so I might pop one of those on. Okay, kind of like that. I've got this lovely green, which I love. Not sure if that really works with the orange. Not sure. Doesn't matter. A little bit. I've got this piece here. I'm just going to tear it. This is a digital. very, very fragile, so I'm not sure how or whether it will work. We haven't used the music now. I can't believe I ripped that piece of paper. I've been saving it. I've been saving it for so long because of the font on it, and now I've just ripped it. I feel like I want to put it back together, but that would be kind of ridiculous. Mind you, I could sellotape it, couldn't I? Maybe I will. Maybe I'll do that. Let's get the old sellotape out. Or I could use some of my I don't know if the glue stick's strong enough to hold the sellotape. I think I normally use art glitter glue. Okay, I'm just going to bring this down so I don't put my head right in the space. This is a bit desperate, isn't it, really? I'm so upset that I ripped it. There we go. That goes there like that. Let's see what it looks like if we sellotape it there. Oh dear, desperate. Yeah, I'm not sure about whether that's going to stick. I think I should give up on this piece of paper. I'm really just making a pig's ear of it. What a mess. Yeah. That is a good example of what not to do. You are welcome. So now I just need to decide whether I like this colour and this colour together, or whether I just want to use this orange for the... Might just go with the orange for now. Got a bit of book page there, and the music. About that. Is that too big, maybe? And then we can add some smaller things on top, maybe, to make it a little less, have so much sort of space. I'm going to glue it. So I'm just going to line that up with that edge. I really enjoy collaging, but I get a little bit anxious about the process sometimes, and that's crazy because I actually find it relaxing as well. And actually, if it's been relaxing and it doesn't turn out to be that good, who cares? Because it's actually been a nice process. What is everybody's tips for collaging? The rules for collaging. I'm sure there are some. Often I think, oh, I don't really like what I've done, and then I'll come back to it. I'm just gonna, oh, I can ink that afterwards. I come back to it and I like it. Okay, so this piece is gonna go down next. I'm just gonna swivel round. This is a really old, fragile piece of book page. The book is completely falling apart. But I've still got the wee book, which is absolutely in dire shape. I probably don't need all of that, but anyway. Glue it all down. I want to make sure I can see that, so that's just something to remember when I do start gluing the rest of it down. So I think this is the next piece to go down. Okay, so that's going in there. I hope it's going to be strong enough once it's finished. Should be alright. Okay. I kind of want that tatty edge over like that. Wonder. And I kind of almost want to ink that. Do I want that over the top or underneath? I'm going to go with it over the top, which means I'm going to have to glue this piece down next, I think. Or is this piece? This is the next one to go down. I'll try not to tear that any further. Another beautiful day here in Hawke's Bay. We went to a lovely birthday celebration on Saturday at the neighbours. There's like about 3 neighbours, 3 people in the neighbourhood who have birthdays around this time. And it was really nice. Then, so that was Saturday. Then on Monday found out that one of the birthday people, one of the people who were there, tested positive for COVID. Then Dave has just heard from his brother, who he was with yesterday, and he's just tested positive as well. So David and I are just sort of waiting to see what happens with our health. It's not really a lot we can do about it, but I guess we're sort of semi-isolating now. You don't have to isolate unless you're in the household with someone. They're not really doing, they've changed all what they consider to be a close contact now. But we were going to go out to dinner tonight, but we've decided no, we're going to stay home because just need to be a little bit sensible, I think. Okay, right, so this very delicate piece here, let's see if we can do this, glue this piece without losing too many of those little tatty edges that I like so much. Okay, oh, maybe not that high, maybe about there. Okay, just trying to get that so the edges. All right, we're getting there, I think. Oh, yeah. I mean, there's still the possibility that I will look at this and not like it, but that's okay. It's been fun. Okay, so that glue stick is kaput. I need a new glue stick. Hope you're getting some crafting done. Thank you everybody for your lovely comments on the last video. Really enjoyed making that envelope. Right, what do we have? There we go. I wonder if I should just trim around the edges a bit. I could fold that over. Quite like the folded over tatty, folded over bits. Okay, so now I think what I'll do is put some sort of smaller pieces on. I still love this one that I've sellotaped. Not sure whether I'll use it. I do quite like it though. Oh well, I was chatting away and collaging away and thinking it was videoing, but it wasn't, because someone had rung me, and I always forget, if someone rings you on your phone while you're filming, the filming stops, it doesn't just start again. So anyway, you can see I've added this little botanical here, a bit of wallpaper, this very old ledger, and this blue piece. And I was just thinking about up here, what would go up here. I am quite obsessed by this piece, so I'm wondering whether I'll just use it, and that will break this up a bit. I could do it that way, I guess. Could pop it here. This is a big piece here. I'm gonna have to get my head around covering up some of this, I think. And again, yeah, we don't really know which way round it's gonna go, but this is probably too big. Mind you, if you cut it here, you're only going to get that much, aren't you? Right, what have we got? Quite like this. Just whether we cover over Mrs. Kerwin's. I kind of like that there. I think I definitely want that. Maybe that. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so that's going there now. Just leave my little... Quite like that green. I'm going to pop that there. So I don't like half the word. I don't know why. It hardly matters because it's all going to get cut up anyway, but oh well. Just go with it. Just go with it. I'm not going to cut it up now. I'm going to let it dry. I do like this, but I think that we'll save that for another one. So that's used up quite a lot of stuff, which is very pleasing. I will let it dry and then I'll cut it up and we can have a look what it looks like afterwards. But I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed it, and I enjoyed chatting to you guys while I was doing it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your support and for your kind comments, and I'll see you again soon in the next video. Bye.